with the ghosts and making new friends.
Okay. You ready?
Appeared.
I nearly threw up. And chips came up in my throat.
I can help you find some guards and stuff. Yeah, I know. I have to wait till when.
Here.
Oh, that's awesome too. Oh, is that
That was a monster.
That was really good. Was that the? Oh, what was it? The guy from the one of the quests that we had to do, and we talked to him, bruh.
Bruh. How do you do that? A monster in my belly.
Oh, what's this?
What is? Yeah.
I already did it.
With high expectations, and I was ready to be disappointed. Fuck me! At least you're honest. Oh, can I scooch your baby face, Winter? Fuck, sorry. Yeah, I've seen those shoots. I freak out. I am enough.
This is much smaller.
I see. Getting that drawing on. Yeah. How long have I been in Japan? About 36 days? No, it'll be like 30 more reset. I was about to be right back. Okay, one sec.
What?
How tall am I? I'm 161 centimeters, so I'm like 5'2" or just 5'3" or something.
Yeah.
I said 1'2". Call me a cow again, 50 Cent. And I will ban you. Unopposed. Apocalypse. Don't be jealous. Night would imbalance. If I were a zombie, I'd never eat your brain. Unless you're on a phone and it's fucked. I'm having a hard time picking between eye contacts. And the undead. You dirty little tease. Actually, I have pasta in the fridge. I'll be right back. I'm getting that fucking pasta before I starve to death.